Fantastic. We're back in the Eternity Pokemon Center.
We're back playing Pokemon. Have fun.
And
oh god.
Oh my days. Okay.
You've triggered an event already.
He's not.
We haven't even beat the second gym, have we?
No, I'm gonna have to find a way around that. I don't know, what the fuck are we gonna do?
Didn't in the last episode we were like, we're not gonna play this for about a month now, so.
Yeah, then we ended up playing the next day.
It's the next day. We've done an entire fucking
Lord of the Rings trilogy.
Lord of the Rings trilogy shift today. We're recording it all, which might be out by the time this episode comes out.
Yeah, it may well be.
It potentially will be, but I have no idea how long it's going to take me to edit.
Yeah, so keep an eye out on our channel for
sure.
For Lord of the Rings content. It's gonna be funny. That's what I know.
Yeah.
Shit was fucking entertaining to make. Let's see what we got. Right. Yeah, this is not a strong team for a grass type gym, but if I know the Pokemon games, they'll have something around here which will help you out.
Yeah, like
I don't know. Let's have a look.
Rare candy, maybe.
I don't. Even that is not going to save us.
No, one level won't save us. Fuck.
There you go. Fucking first one I come across a flying type. There it is.
Oh, do you want a hoot?
Yeah, I think we do.
Okay. Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna make him our main Pokemon.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Perfect.
Off,
oh, cool.
so he's got Peg. That's perfect. That's enough for me.
Imagine if they made it just around the corner.
Great.
There's a hill ball. It's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Come on, Obama. Make the the Democratic Party proud.
What an arm Obama has. He's lobbed that right at the bird.
There's Obama swinging at birds. There's your next headline.
Obama's good at catching birds.
We should call the episode that just for clickbait.
Yeah. Definitely. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you almost said no then.
A normal flying type. Don't know how I feel about that. But
no.
we needed to fucking beat the gym, so let's just take it. What do you want to call it?
Do you want to name this one?
Yeah. Okay.
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 I've done all of the 4 so far, so we'll get.
Okay. This bird looks quite fucking baked.
Quite bad. The stoner eyes, the red eyes.
Wait, hold up.
Bake. Wait, do 2.
Yes, that's what I was doing. Yeah.
And then fuck. Oh, you got rid of the fucking.
It's funny. The two of our Pokemon now have the word fucking in
I think
it.
they might.
I feel like that's a common word for us.
Baked fuck.
That sounds like
that
sounds like you're offering a girl drugs in return for sex.
It fucking does. Oh my god.
Right, let's go. Oh fuck.
You want to get baked to fuck? Whoa.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
These guys.
It's a disc.
It's a disc.
It's a disc.
Have you seen this before?
It's a disc.
I'll take it as a no.
No.
Should we get it?
It's a fucking coin.
Let's see if we can get it.
Bronzer.
One for the ladies.
It's not even bronze. It's blue. Blueser. Bite
Let's see what we got.
Break your teeth on that coin. Fuck it out.
It's such a good move, but it really is. They flinch so often.
Oh well, then we're not having that one.
Yeah, well, it's a sack of bronzer. He's
didn't want him anyway. It was just a joke.
We weren't serious. You thought he was serious.
Imagine thinking we're serious, you idiot.
You imagine us being serious about anything.
No, I can't.
It's not for me.
It's not for me. It's not for me. When did our episode come out of the last Pokemon? The last thing. What's it called? Podcast.
When did Pokemon come
Mate,
out?
we're not doing very well on the old views on the recent podcasts, guys.
No, not at all.
Go and get that up.
There's only like
Eeyore
7
kills
listens.
himself.
There's only like 7 listens.
Oh, you just got HO1.
Wow.
That is
Cuts.
depression.
That is not useful.
Oh, I didn't do a
Actually,
fucking time. Oh my god, I'm so bad at life. Sorry.
Right. Fuck. Right, let's go.
Oh my god, look, my time's been going for fucking ages.
You can tell people that's like how long you've been running.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's just level up.
Level up.
Do some training.
You got 5 minutes and I've finished fucking...
I wanted like a bug or a grass, but I get fucking BD. Alright.
A bit oof.
Oh, and it's got hypnosis. We like that.
Do we?
Yeah.
Why do we like that?
It's a good move.
Yeah. It's got like arrow. It looks like he's been shot by fucking a bow and arrow from the bottom, and both the heads are sticking out the top. You know what I mean?
No, Legolas has come.
Go on, Gav!
Why did we just gone Gav?
I don't know. Oh, Gav is gone. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, cheers to that.
I haven't paid attention to what moves any of our guys have or anything.
Really? What are you thinking about?
I'm literally just looking at the people on the screen, the Pokemon.
You're in a hypnotic state.
Yeah.
Baked to foods.
I don't care what moves we're using as long as they're fucking them up.
Type, right?
And her posture is incredible.
Posture, yeah. She's been working out back.
It's like too good. It's like your fucking lower back's gonna give out.
That's a sign of small boobs, though.
Is it?
Yeah, because you know how girls with big tits always like complain about their back.
Oh, true. So Dawn's got no tits confirmed.
Yeah.
Ah.
You heard it first.
Dawn's flat-chested.
Embarrassing. Exposed.
Exposed. Dawn's got no
this
tits.
is gonna take ages to
Zero
level these
tits.
guys up. Let's just go battle some people. Fuck, dicking
Go on,
around with this.
fucking yeah. We'll get the fucking yeah. You kill these guys.
Yeah, we'll take them on.
Take them on. Take them on. Take them on.
Okay,
Oh, you can't.
Pusil.
He just wants to chat, so we'll talk to this guy now.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
I think one of these.
A feisty trainer.
I think it might be him. No, it's not.
He's gonna
Okay.
whip you with that thing. What?
Oh Jesus.
Goddamn.
It's a good Goldeen. It's pretty good Goldeen.
Fucking hell. 17. You're having a giraffe. There's only got one Pokemon.
It's not how like our Shinx is actually better than Poshing on mine. Oh yeah,
Oh,
Ruge
really?
is actually just a lot better.
Ruge is a fucking great Pokemon.
Alright.
Go on, absorb him. Just
quick,
let
he's
me
quick.
absorb you. Oh honey. Wait, who's quick? Ours or theirs?
Oh,
Fucking
Jesus
go on, easy
Christ.
peasy lemon squizzy.
Yeah, I take back what I said, Quatrino.
And you're gonna level up with him? Oh, good. That was a great play from you. Oh, hey Arnold, fucking Pokemon there. So good.
Hey, on.
Hey, yeah, I showed you it yesterday. The guy with the
yeah.
football head.
The banana head.
Yeah.
We're not going to battle the other fisherman because the other one's got like 5 Magikarps or something like that.
Good for levels.
Good for. Is it?
Why is a Dialga on the thing?
Because this is. Is this?
This is platinum.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah, that's a bit biased
What the
towards
fuck?
the alpha, isn't it?
Surely it should be the one that. Whoa, what is that?
Oh, there's these motherfuckers.
Call him Bell End.
Should we get him?
A ching ling 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 ling. Yeah, go for it. Fuck it.
Sweet. Let's
Pick
go,
him
let's
up.
get Ruge out.
Rury's gonna kill him. He's loads higher.
I don't think Spark will get him.
Like 6 fucking levels higher.
Yeah, but I don't think that should kill him. We'll see how it goes.
You could pick that thing up and then like spin it around like on Matilda with that girl's pigtails. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, actually, no, I don't know.
You don't know what I'm talking about? Oh, alright. Oh fuck me, am I right?
Okay, you're right. Well, if he's that weak, we
Well-
don't want him anyway. To be honest. That's slightly concerning.
Yeah, we didn't need that bitch. What's
Actually,
that?
wait. That's it's a child.
It's a child.
It's a child.
He had been buried alive.
Sneaking up on children. That's how we like to spend our day.
What the fuck?
Zubat.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Alright, beg the fuck. Yeah, go on, let's get it.
Pick the fuck.
Yeah, if you go pick.
Fuck
I
it.
want to see his stats. Such a virgin.
You are?
So, okay, his attack and special attack's the same.
You're the same.
Really strong special defense and speed, which
You
is a weird mix.
hypnosis. Oh fuck. Listen, didn't listen.
You want to use hypnosis?
So won't you leech life, bring to me step love eyes. Beg to fuck, will you Hypno? Who's this?
Oh shit. Yeah, we shouldn't do that.
Yeah, well, fuck. What does uproar do?
It causes a bloody uproar, doesn't it?
Only goes and causes a bloody uproar.
What a bloody racket he's making over there.
Bloody makes a racket. Makes a bloody racket. Bloody bling blong.
Ouch. We don't like this. We don't like this at all.
Yeah, dude. How are you getting on with this fucking Zubat, mate?
We just don't have that chemistry.
Baked to fuck is confused. No shit. He's baked to fuck. Oh dear, oh dear.
This isn't looking good, is it?
It's not, is it? Are you really going to use
one potion?
Yeah, because you used them all in the gym.
Fuck. Right, okay. Well, we're going to have to switch them up, aren't we?
You're going to get... Fuck out. Oh god, I can't stop fucking burping, man. Oh fuck. Use fucking leech life. Fuck.
Right. We're gonna just walk down this Jesus. What is that all about?
Why are you getting dicked by this one Zubat?
He's level 14 as well.
Fuck's sake.
Alright.
Just kill him.
Probably gonna get like no HP, no XP for that.
No HP. Oh, you didn't even level up. Oh no. Oh, there's another one.
Fuck this. Let's just get Ruge on it.
Yeah. End it.
I feel like that's gonna be the story.
The
story of our game. So just get Ruge to sort this out.
After this gym, we're getting rid of Ruge.
Why?
Funny.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it funny?
Yeah.
Next time you shag, I'm just gonna get rid of your testicles. This is funny. It's not no reason I can know. That's my entire reason.
It's exactly the same thing.
That's how I feel about Ruge. It's how strongly I feel towards this Pokemon. It's like,
time you shag, I'm gonna get rid of your testicles. Right. Oh fuck. Well, it's gonna be a while until then, anyway. So.
True. So you got a few months of still being able to produce testosterone. Oh fuck. Oh, this guy's sick.
Oh my god, look at him.
I actually want one of these. I really want one of these.
I want one. I love the fucking... The...
Ruge should be able to get out of this, right?
creativity that's gone behind his name. He's changed one letter from meditating.
Oh, Jesus.
What is this guy again?
Just leave us alone, mate. Leave us alone.
Leave Brittany alone.
Right, we're gonna go back and we're gonna try again. I'm gonna get some potions. This whole episode just gonna be us. The next couple of episodes gonna be us training up these motherfuckers, like, because our team is so weak.
But by the end of the day, today, we're gonna have beaten this bid.
That's it. That's the goal.
That's the fucking reality.
Fuck yeah.
If we can watch 12 hours of Lord of the Rings in one day, we can finish the day off by beating the second gym.
That's a day of accomplished.
Oh my god, imagine.
It's so funny when you say that. Like, I would have, if you told me like, even a month ago that you'd feel so accomplished from watching Lord of the Rings all day and playing Pokemon, I would have been like, fuck off. Like, what the fuck is my life turning into? But now I'm doing it.
The best day of your entire life.
Fuck, I forgot to get the potions, so we get there now.
Yeah, go and get those fucking potions. Look at that scarf. Dun 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 dun. Spend it all on ice heals.
No.
Does anyone ever use an ice heal?
Fuck, there was potions there. I missed it.
Dickhead.
Can we even get like super potions yet?
Yeah, it's right there.
Bro. Let's get, we'll get 20.
Let's just spend all our money.
Yeah, this is called financial irresponsibility. Dawn's not very good with cash.
Dawn's a fucking moron.
She was saving up for a boob job, but
yeah, she's got back problems, so she had to get bigger boobs.
Her posture was too good.
That's what she was saving up for before she got shipped off to fucking
He's gonna have a rock
Pokémon
type.
Island.
Fuck.
What's wrong with that?
We some of the flying type.
Yeah, but then you swap it out.
True. Hopefully they'll have a match-up, that'd be dope.
That would. He's got 2.
But he doesn't.
Geodude's all the way. He's ready to fucking punch you with those fists. Like Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Do you reckon there's something about the name Tyson that just induces a boxer?
What do you mean?
Tyson Fury.
Yeah, Tyson's just a fucking hardcore
It's just an
name.
aggressive name.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, dude's called Tyson. Yep, okay.
Yeah,
That's
well,
gonna
he's gonna
spend
be a
his life
boxer.
beating the shit out of
Especially
him.
with the last name Fury. He was fucking made to be a boxer,
It's
wasn't he?
ridiculous, isn't it? It's actually ridiculous.
Tyson is a badass name enough, and then Fury on the end is like he's a fucking angry Tyson.
It's ridiculous. It's like Arsene Wenger being called Arsene Wenger.
Yeah.
And then like being Arsenal's coach for like 20 years or whatever it was. It's weird how you get these coincidences.
Fucking is, man. You're weird.
Was that an insult? Was that an insult? Mr. Anal Bee. You call me weird and then called an Onyx Mr. Anal Bee. I feel like your point is slightly invalid.
It's the truth. It looks like
It's the truth.
It's the truth.
It's the truth. It's spoken.
I hate my life.
Mr. Not Weird has spoken. It says it's the truth.
Yo, leave a like, a comment. If it looks like anal bead.
It's like the anal beads get progressively larger though as you go on. Is that like a thing that anal beads do?
Yeah.
I feel like Bake the Fuck doesn't level up very fast, and that's not something I would look for in Pokemon, has to be said.
Yeah, but he's gonna be level 100 before we know it.
That goes against everything I just said.
Were you even listening to me?
Right, let's get it. You know these ones are good.
Hair.
These are like the powerful ones, pretty much.
Are they?
Yeah. They're either bird trainers or like ace trainers. She's a bird trainer.
She's a bird keeper. She doesn't train them, she just keeps them.
Games. Selfish.
Keeps them
She's
in
just
a
so
fucking
selfish.
dungeon.
I'm not so fat. I don't even like Big the Fucking one, to be honest. I'm getting kind of sick of him.
Already?
Yeah.
He's got up 1 level since you got him.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan. He's got shit moves, bro. Look at this.
You got shit.
And he's like got no attack stats. He's fucking useless.
He was gonna help us. We can fucking set him free after this shit.
Give him the Burkeeper. He's got like, do you want to take him?
Take this little twat off our hands.
He's
You don't even need to train him because that's not in your job description. Just keep him.
I know you got a spare cage somewhere. Just
Yeah.
plop
Oh
it in there.
fuck, we're way over on the fucking time.
Of course we are.
Completely. We're doing.
Right, and we
fucking-
started late as well.
Yep, we're probably about a 17-minute episode. See you next episode, guys.